Bakit ba kasi binibili tong Art of Universe ng Latafa na to?
Eh, may oh, blue, blue talisman naman.
What is up mga mahilig sa mga... This is your boy Armin and this is my co-host.
Parents.
Welcome back again dito sa channel namin sa Amoy Hiranyan! For today's episode, sa tingin ko, marami nang naghihintay na finally we're going to review from the brand of Latafa, and this is Latafa.
Art of Universe.
Exactly. Napakaganda talaga ng bote. Imagine nyo, sa mga Middle Eastern fragrances talaga, you will never go wrong and you will never waste money. Why? Everything that you're paying here, the juice, the quality of the presentation of the bottle, the box is just top notch. So we're going to start to review and compare this one sa Ex Nihilo from Blue Talisman. This is the EDP version, okay? So we're going to ask Boss Terence, by the way, this is his bottle. Ano masasabi mo about this scent, Boss Terence?
Guys, medyo pahabol to kasi click niyo yung page ni Amoy Piranyan. May previous review kami ng Turati Electric and Maison Asrar Legacy.
Mhm.
So, kawawa naman to. Actually, kung hindi ako nagkakamali, ito yung nauna talaga
Nauna na talaga, oh.
lumabas na inspired by Blue Talisman.
Mhm.
So, direct to the point, after owning 3 dupes,
Oo.
mas nag-gravitate ako towards
Sa
Art
itong
of
scent na to?
Universe.
Okay.
Not because it's the closest, but it is the most fun to wear.
Mhm.
It's the most performing.
Okay.
And mas nag-focus siya. Guys, sa mga familiar dito, this is parang nakafocus tong pabango na to sa pear,
Sa pear,
sa
yeah.
ginger, and
The Akigala wood note.
Akigala wood. Pero guys, wala yung Akigala wood dito eh.
Oo.
Nag-focus lang talaga siya sa pear,
Yeah.
ginger. It's very bright, it's very sweet,
Mm-hmm.
it's very bubblegummy.
Bubble gummy.
Ang tamis niya.
Oo.
Guys, pag spinray ko to, feeling ko nagiging bagets ako eh. Armin, ikaw ba?
For me, nagustuhan ko yung top notes niya, but once naglilining na siya dun sa mid, from to dry down, hindi ko na ma-appreciate tong scent na to. Hindi lang, I really love Ex Nihilo Blue Talisman. I really love the EDP version. But this one, personally, hindi ko siya susuotin para sa sarili ko. And I wouldn't buy it for myself. Para sa mga audiences ko. Kasi parang sobrang naumay na ako sa mga bubblegummy type of a scent. Hindi ko type yung bubblegummy pair niya. So parang hindi rin niya nakuha yung pagka-Akigala wood note niya kasi imposibleng makuha ng mga Middle Eastern brands when they're duping the Ex Nihilo Blue Talisman, which is signature to ng Givaudan perfumers, especially the Akigala wood note. Hindi mo talaga makukuha yan kahit anong gawa nila unless may gagawing perfumer, makukuha nila from Givaudan at gagawa ng Akigala wood based perfume na nilililis nilang pabango sa Middle Eastern brands. For me, I wouldn't recommend this one. But sa mga bagets dyan, yeah, if you want to feel like bagets, why not? You go for it. For me, personally, I will not recommend it.
Guys, iba yung take namin. Ako, I love this. I love this so
Siya
much.
gusto niya talaga yan eh. Oh.
Nandito pa ako sa era ko na performance is power.
Power!
Pero I have to agree with Armin, ito kasi mas sophisticated.
Sobrang talagang
mas
quality.
amoy mayaman eh.
Oo.
Ito naman, amoy malandi, amoy playful. Pero
Very bagets eh.
for me, mas versatile to eh.
Oo.
Needless to say, fraction of the price of this.
Yeah, you
So,
can save a lot of money.
Again, hindi siya 1:1, hindi siya malapit masyado dito.
Sobrang layo.
It's inspired.
Yeah, inspired by Blue
It's
Talisman.
pero I really, really love this.
You really love it. Okay. So yun lang yung masasabi namin. How is the performance of this scent?
Ay, grabe.
Terence?
Grabe. Oh my God, sobrang tagal.
Matagal.
It
Okay.
projects maybe 3 to 4 hours. Tapos
Very crazy, no?
mga 6 to 8 hours. Parang andun pa rin eh.
Ayaw manahimik
Guys,
eh.
ang tamis kasi nito.
Oo.
Parang siyang candied pear eh.
Yan yung typical na parang candied pear, more on parang glossier side ng candy. Na talagang makikita mo how bubble. Try to imagine a candy pear that has bubble gum inside. Pag kinagat mo na, tapos na-crack mo na yung glossy candy ng pear, doon na lalabas yung pagka-bubble gummy. Ganun ko lang nai-imagine to scent to. Yeah? You were saying, Boss Terence?
Wala guys eh. Mas bata kasi ako kay Armin, eh, kaya mas na-appreciate ko to eh. Pag may edad na, dito na talaga siya.
Diyan ka mag-gravitate eh.
Please, Armin.
So yun lang yung honest opinion namin about itong scent na to. For me, this is, I think, is such a good release, but I would personally not wear it for myself and I would not recommend it. Try mo na lang ang Maison Asrar, yung Legacy. Highly recommended that scent. And this one, for me, is just okay lang. So yun lang yung masasabi ko about itong scent na to. Any inputs?
Guys, tell us what you think, your thoughts, share your thoughts, no? Ano ba sa Blue Talisman clones ang meron kayo? And pag meron kayo nito, sige, mag-ano tayo, pag-usapan natin sa comment section.
Yun lang yung masasabi namin. Till next time, Fragrance Family. Love you all.